Everyone, welcome to Unit 5, Week 3, Day 5. I'm going to begin by putting sounds together to make words. Or more, sh or shore, sn or snore. Let me do that one again. S or snore, p or ch, porch. Now this time, we'll say a word and break it into its sounds. For, or, two sounds. Roar, or, two sounds. Yeah, that's right. Sort, s, or, t, three sounds. Born, b, or, n, three sounds. Sport, s, b, or, t, four sounds. Chore, ch, or, two sounds. Okay, friends, so because this is Day 5, we're going to be going a bit faster. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoops. 4. Whoops. 4, 3, 2, 1. Store. 3, 2, 1. Soar. Okay, more. Change the to sk. Score. Change the sk to sh. Shore. Change the sh to st. Store. Change the st to t. Tor. Oh, change that to t, and then add an n at the end. Torn. Change the t to h. Horn. Change the h to sw. Sworn. Change the sw to b. Born. Change the n to Bore. And that's like the animal, not boring. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Storm. 3, 2, 1. Porch. 3, 2, 1. 40, 3, 2, 1, Mr. 3, 2, 1, form, 3, 2, 1, born, 3, 2, 1, north, 3, 2, 1, support, 3, 2, 1, Mrs. 3, 2, 1, firm, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, soar, 3, 2, 1, snowstorm, 3, 2, 1, street, 3, 2, 1, board, 3, 2, 1, more, 3, 2, 1, chores, 3, 2, 1, doctor, 3, 2, 1, bird, 3, 2, 1, soar, 3, 2, 1, short, 3, 2, 1, before, 3, 2, 1, avenue, 3, 2, 1, barn, 3, oh, here's our high frequency words. Began. It began to snow last night. Better. I hope you feel better. Guess. Can you guess how old he is? Learn. She will learn to ride a bike. Right. This is the right way to hold a fork. Sure. He is sure he will be on time. Okay, here's our story for today. It says hard chores. And chores are like something you do to help your family, like cleaning around the house. Here's some words we'll see. Some. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Some. 3, 2, 1. People. 3, 2, 1. Have. 3, 2, 1. Sure. 3, 2, 1. Buy. 3, 2, 1. New. Okay, so we'll do the first page together. We'll do every other page. So hard chores. Ready? Begin. Chores are jobs that you must finish at home. These chores might not be fun. Some people have made sure to make these chores better. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. Before people had to sweep up dirt, Now people can use this to clean. You can buy it at a store. It is fast and fun to use. Plug it in and it will roar. Mom and Dad might ask you to guess what makes that noise. Just say it is the device used for a chore. Okay, this one's together. Ready? Begin. Before people cleaned dishes by hand. Now hands will not be sore. This cleans the dishes in a new way. It is less work. Before, people had to wash shirts on a board. If you did it too hard, you tore them. Now shirts are safe. Okay, your turn. Ready? Begin. Ready? Begin. When people began chores in the past, it was so much harder. Then some people learned to make those chores not as hard. Today, you can have more time for fun. You can thank the people who said no more hard chores. Okay, so let's talk about some abbreviations. So if I look at days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And you'll notice, even though I have the dot to make it shorter, it still says the full word. Okay, so let's look at these. Do you remember what this word is? Mr., Mrs., Doctor, Street, Road, Saturday, Thursday, February, December, April. So remember, even though these are written shorter, they're still said the same way. We don't say mer, we say Mr. Okay, so remember, when we're using adjectives to compare a noun, 2, we put er, 3 or more, we put est. So listen to some of these. I am the tallest kid on the basketball team. Did you hear it? If you said tallest, you're right. That's my adjective. Here's the next one. The blue car is smaller than the gray car. 3, 2, 1. Smaller. Smaller would be my adjective, and it's comparing 2. This one's comparing 3 or more. This was the wettest day in June. Did you hear it? If you said wettest, you're correct, and it's comparing 3 or more. Now these last couple sentences are wrong on purpose. They want to see if you can fix them. Okay, so I'm going to read it, and let's see if you can find the problem. The dog is loudest than the TV show. Would we say loudest? No, we would say louder, because it's the dog is 1 and the TV show's 2. Louder. Okay, here's the next one. Plums are sweet than green beans. Did you hear it? Would it be sweet? No, because we have plums, which is 1, and beans, which is 2. So it'd be sweeter. We're comparing. Here's the next one. Miss Beck is old than Miss York. Would we say old? No, we'd say older, because it's 1 Miss Beck and 1 Miss York, so that's 2. Okay, last one. Coach North is the older of the 3. Did you hear it? Would it be older? It'd be oldest, right? Because it's 3 or more. So just to wrap up, 2 is shorter, taller, but when I have 3 or more, could be 100, it's est, tallest. Okay, everyone, I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.